Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Ford Explorer safely and effectively. First, always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a flat, solid surface. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. Gather your tools, including a reliable hydraulic floor jack and at least 2 robust jack stands. Remember, safety is paramount when working under any vehicle, so always be prepared. Now, let's find the correct lifting points on your Explorer. The safest spots are the reinforced pinch welds along the frame rails, usually marked with small notches or arrows. You'll find these sturdy areas just behind the front wheels and directly in front of the rear wheels. These points are designed to support the vehicle's weight without causing damage. Always double-check your owner's manual for exact locations to ensure you're lifting correctly. With your jack point identified, position your hydraulic floor jack directly underneath it. Begin to slowly pump the jack handle, raising the vehicle gradually. Lift it just enough so the tire clears the ground by about 2 to 3 inches. Once lifted, carefully slide a sturdy jack stand into place right beside the jack, ensuring it also supports the reinforced pinch weld. Then, slowly lower the vehicle onto the jack stand, confirming it is stable before removing the jack. When your task is finished, it's time to safely lower your Explorer. First, use your floor jack to slightly raise the vehicle again, just enough to take the weight off the jack stand. Carefully remove the jack stand from its position. Then, slowly open the jack's release valve, allowing the vehicle to descend smoothly and gradually to the ground. Once fully lowered, remove the floor jack and the wheel chocks. If you removed a wheel, ensure all lug nuts are properly tightened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.